You're cutting out for me.
There's too many explosions.
What?
The message that he left meant everything to me.
Here, where are we going?
I clung to it.
You wanna go to the
I
city?
listened to it repeatedly in the days after.
Desert?
Okay, yeah, let's go desert.
Everybody has told me that has lost loved ones, you'll lose the sound of their voice. I've probably listened to the message hundreds of times.
Hurry, Sam, hurry. You get
It's
the...
available anytime I want to play it back. It's there. I hear it.
Alright, we have this tower pretty secure.
I'm still very
Really?
fragile to listen
Can't
to
help
it,
you.
and so I'm comforted to know it's there, but I don't listen to it.
Oh yeah, and now he went to me.
On September the 11th, 2001,
He hit me a bunch, but I'm alive.
3,000 families lost a loved one. The Twin Towers collapsed with such destructive
Here, I'll
force
check right after this
that only
game.
300 bodies were recovered. But for some families, there is another legacy. Trapped inside the towers, many people tried to make desperate contact with the outside world. Some were able to speak on the phone.
Oh my god.
Others could only
More shots, more shots. Over to the right, over to the right.
What? We're gonna shot it from...
Since that day,
back to the
families have
left,
lived
about
with the memory of
60,
these final
65.
words from their loved ones.
Oh, she's
Many
lit.
of these calls have never been heard in public, and are featured here for the first time.
Carter,
Wait, where?
come
Wait, what
stand in
happened?
the circle.
All are used with the full
Revive.
consent of the relatives, who only now feel ready to talk about them.
I hit her for like 7, but
These recordings shed light on what really
don't know.
I
happened
killed him.
inside
That
the
guy
towers.
running out there? Yeah. No.
But they also reveal something more profound about the choices people make in their final moments.
I do.
no.
Who to turn to,
Are we moving out of this
You
area, or
come
are
in
we
here, Sam.
staying
Come to
here?
these two houses. I'm gonna drop into the houses. Should we get the tower like control thing?
all the way down.
Not really. Here, I'm just gonna go over here and
Oh Jesus.
far side, far side, far side.
What does that mean?
I
Alright.
killed him.
Got him.
Alright, I need heavy ammo because I'm doing really good with the sniper all of a sudden.
He should have some heavy ammo. I just need a med kit. I need. Here, holy Jesus. He had so much armor and pistols.
My
Two-hand
dog,
cannon.
Coco, wakes me up somewhere approximately 5:30 in the morning and wants to go for a walk. So at 5:30 in the morning, I get out of bed, brush my teeth, throw some water on my face.
I'm going into the big building.
Here, I'll go to the top of the tower and overwatch.
Whoa! I just got shot with the rocket. Is that you?
I say a little prayer every single day and talk
Is
to
team
Melissa.
damage like
No, it's just-
allowed with
I know
grenades
she's there. I know
and
she's
stuff?
listening to me.
I need a medium.
I was the last person from the outside world that she spoke to. I'll
I
always
wish you could
remember
drop
that.
ammo in this game. They need to make the
When you fall asleep sometimes at night, you
inventory
close
system
your
a little
eyes, you
better.
It's
can
fairly
just
new,
see her
isn't
face
it?
there saying, Dad,
yeah.
I love you.
On September the 11th, Bob Harrington's daughter Melissa was in New York for just
Alright,
one
right.
day.
Whoa, he's here.
Aged 31, she was a high-powered business executive and was there to oversee
He's
the
super
merger.
lit, super lit, super lit.
The meeting was on the 101st floor
He's dead.
of the North Tower of the World Trade
Another
Center.
one at the gate. Hit him, down.
She was only going to be there.
Why
that
did I get
Tuesday,
Irish all of a
when the
sudden
merger
right
was
there?
done, she was
was weird.
flying back to California the next day.
There's a battle rifle over here and some medium ammo. I'm good with medium ammo. There's a battle rifle and medium ammo. I think Sam needed that, Carter.
I need to go.
Where's a katana?
Here, I've got a katana.
I don't need yours, but like I just need a katana.
We found nothing of Jim.
I need health. I
He was
need
completely
health
destroyed.
kits for armor.
Can we,
So the fact that I've spoken to
Yeah,
him
we can bounce.
means so much to me. I think that
Yeah,
the
it's
healing
just not
process is
closing in.
ongoing.
Yeah.
It's important to let
Look at how many
people
pistols
know
are over here. Look at
what
this.
I know, he
families
had
of
like
9/11
8
have
on
been
him.
experiencing,
There was
what
2
we've been
guys
going
with 4
through,
pistols
what we've gone
each.
through.
I'm not even
He still
joking.
have
There
those
was
memories
actually
that we don't want anybody
Yeah,
to ever forget.
Jill Gartenberg had just started a family with
So I'm
her
gonna light ammo
35-year-old
or whatever
husband,
it is
Jim.
that pistols take, but I need everything
A
else.
successful
Light
real
ammo.
estate executive, Jim
I
had
have
recently
medium
accepted
and
a
heavy.
promotion at a new company.
I don't have a lot of either.
On
But
September the 11th,
yeah,
he'd only gone in to clear his desk at his office on the 86th floor of the North Tower.
Saying goodbye, I love you.
There was a
It's the
katana
last
on
thing
top of the
I
house.
can
You even
remember
said it. You're like, oh,
seeing him
there's a katana.
walking out the door that morning on September
Katana?
11th.
There was a katana on top of the thing. There was.
I didn't know that.
Oh,
I
I'm
said I
sorry.
needed a katana.
The World Trade Center, tower number 1 is on fire. The whole outside of the building was
Yeah, let's just hang out right here and just kill as many people as we see coming in this fall.
Do I have a
Minutes
suppressor
after
on
American
this?
Airlines Flight
Yeah, I
11
do. Hold
collided
on, I gotta
with the
take
North
this
Tower.
off.
The live pictures were flashed
There's
across the
silencer
world,
on my scar. What's a silencer on my scar?
but those
There's people up
inside
here at this town or
were
whatever
unable
this
to
place
see
is.
what had happened. Desperate for information, they made more than 3,000 calls in the first 10
Hey, wait, you wanna
minutes
ambush
alone.
them? Yeah, there's also people at the town sending me. Did I just get shot?
At the top of the North Tower,
And if you wait out,
100
me and
people
Carter
were
can
attending a
pincer them.
conference at the Windows
Right,
on the
at the
World
same time.
restaurant.
Coming over.
Among
Here,
them
you go
was
behind. You flank
31-year-old
behind him, and
Christopher
me and
Hanley,
Carter will push from the
who made
front.
one of the first recorded calls to 911 emergency services that day.
One lit. Behind us. A guy behind us.
I'm on the 106th floor of the
Person super lit behind us. He's
Okay, in the town with me.
I got him.
Alright, I'm good with ammo and everything now.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, they had tons of stuff. People coming from the city, southwest. But there are also people in the north.
I killed someone coming in from the southwest, so I think their front of their team is down.
How many kills do you guys have?
I have 5.
I also have. You guys circle.
Yeah, I'm away from the storm.
Christopher was our only child. It was so special.
To be able to have the 911
in front of
audio.
us, Carter.
Yeah,
Carter,
they're
in
all
front of us.
they're all
Really
around us. We just need to get this rock and hide. Oh, never mind, this rock is not
The
in.
most emotional,
Jesus, horrible.
poignant moment for me is when he asked him, please hurry, and thank you. To be able to have that...
I hit him once with the SMG. There's a guy to our right. He's
like
top of the
that,
hill.
I thought was just remarkable. I was really proud of him. I mean, he... To be
I only
able to
hit him
keep
for
that
20.
cool
The guy to our right.
request, please hurry.
Yeah, we
that was
took
his
out all
last
his
word.
shields. The guy behind us is taking pot shots. No, I took out all his shields. Yeah, the guy behind us is taking pot shots. I'm just returning
The
them.
audible record of that day is essential because the visual record of that day is
Why
limited to the exterior.
why do bullets right now
What we
suddenly
see
just
with our
The one on the
eyes are
snow
two
mountain is
buildings.
lit 50 bad.
Yeah, the
flames.
snow mountain is lit like he doesn't have any
And
shield.
these calls, these radio transmissions,
Yeah, neither does the
they
snow mountain.
show us through
Yeah,
sound.
on the left of the
what we
mountain
couldn't
is lit
see with
too.
our
Yeah.
eyes.
He's trying to get into
and-
that town over there.
They're part
Hey, we'll
of
lose
the
him in the
fabric of
town,
day
so he'll probably
that
get
we
like.
wouldn't know
Oh wait, we can just.
or have any
Oh,
understanding
we
of
can make this a killing
without
field. Across from us.
this sonic record.
Here, let's make this, Carter. Let's make this open season right here for this guy. The
There's
open
a tree in
space. Just
front of my
cover
house.
the open space from the town because the town's not
It
his
was
own.
planted the week after Melissa was born.
There he is, right outside the town.
The tree grew up. Melissa grew up, and the tree grew up to be probably the biggest tree on the street. And Melissa grew up to
Alright,
be
I don't think
such
bullets
a
go that
fine,
far.
nice, beautiful young lady.
Lit. He's lit.
I lit him
Oh,
for
50.
10.
He's
I
almost
downed
dead.
him. I downed him.
Melissa would have been 39
Let him die
last
from
week.
the zone. Let him die from the zone.
He did.
Alright, kill him.
Now the tree is probably 40, 50 feet high.
Here, I'll no,
When I
let me get him
planted
with a
it-
shotgun.
No, let him
Come
die
on.
to the storm.
5 feet
Let him die to
high
the storm. So everyone just
skinny as
everyone
two
get your
fingers together.
health kits out.
You just
So, you
hide.
know, I look out and I see that tree, and
No, hide.
I
I
just
said
remember
and
the day
hide.
she was born.
Okay, so
He's right inside
no,
the zone.
No, we're letting him die to the storm. We're gonna wait for the storm to collapse. So wait 30
We're
seconds.
gonna have to kill him, Sam. He's gonna get in
No,
the
we don't.
small. Oh wait, this is the
September
last
11th
zone. I
started
only
like
have
any other
one,
morning.
but I have.
Yeah, but it's good
Woke
enough,
up,
because this
put a
way
pot of
probably
coffee in.
Here, let's hit him once
Making
with the
the
shotgun,
bed.
so he's like
Telephone
super
rang.
weak.
No. I'm gonna hit him with the pistol because that's like
I don't
no
usually
damage.
answer the phone because having
Make sure
I
you
have
been
a
in construction
SMG.
my whole
Just
life,
look away, look away.
people
Stop,
call
stop,
up,
stop.
have a tendency
Johnny,
to want you to
Johnny,
do a
Johnny,
job
back
for
up.
them.
We're
For
waiting 30. Okay,
Just
nothing
run,
or
guys,
give
just
some
run, just
advice,
don't-
so I don't usually answer the
No,
phone.
Johnny, stop shooting at him. Johnny, stop.
But this morning, I did.
This is fun.
With my daughter Melissa.
We're so good
I
at the
knew she
game,
was
we
in
just
New York.
screwing
I
around.
didn't know anything
Just try
that
to
had
stay to
happened
more
at
to the
that
middle.
particular point.
One of
We're
us
in
is
the
gonna
desert.
make this
We're in the
guy.
desert.
Melissa was a little
Yeah, stay in the
hysterical.
desert.
I told her, honey, you have to slow down so that your father can understand what the problem
I
is.
swear, we're gonna have to end up finishing him.
got her composure.
Because
No,
Said to me,
don't. Like,
"Dad,
actually don't. I have him
I'm
for
on
40
101st
servers, so
floor of
he's
the World
gonna die.
Trade
Just don't hit
Center,
him. Just don't hit him.
and
Just
a
run away
bomb
from
just
him.
went off.
Run away from him.
In my bedroom.
Yay.
Everyone,
Everyone, Y. Click Y. Click Y.
Oh, I died.
Me too.
How much did everybody get? How many kills?